What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to reset the oil interval reset on your Ford Transit. This is a 2016, but it should work all the way up to 2020. Maybe even the newer ones that they come out with after that, anything that's this body style. And it should go all the way back to, I think, 2006. So basically any Ford Transit, this should be your procedure, at least the newer ones from like 14 or 15 on up. So what we're going to do is turn the key 2 clicks after you put it in. 1, 2. You'll see it says oil change required. At the same time, we're going to hit the gas and the brake pedal, hold them all the way down, and it says service oil reset in progress. This will take about 15 seconds probably to clear out, so just bear with me. Once you have the pedals pushed down, do not release. Don't let up at all. You got to keep holding it down until, there we go, service oil reset complete. And that's it. Now you can let up. You can turn your key off, turn it back on, fire it up. Ignore all the other warnings here. But yeah, no oil light anymore. So hope this helped you out. If it did, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe for more videos like this. Check me out on Facebook at Tony the Truck Guy. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.